Now see, some multiplication regarding word problems. How can we do this? Okay. Now see, these are also for you as home assignment. These questions. See, these all are for your home assignment. This is for your next home assignment. Means in one day at least you have to solve 10 to 15 questions each and every day in mathematics, and send me on my WhatsApp. Correct? Facing any problem, you may ask me any question. Now word problems. Few word problems. Just I am going to solve few word problems. How can we come to know that a word problem of multiplication is given, addition is given, or subtraction is given, or division is given? How can we judge? So at first see here, for multiplication purpose, if cost of, or if one thing, for one it is given and we have to find out more than one, naturally multiplication is there. See here, the cost of making a refrigerator is rupees 15,450. Correct? Now, this is the cost of one refrigerator, and in question it is asked that how can we, what will be the cost of 45 such refrigerator? Means for the cost of one is given and we have to find more than one, cost of one, more than one refrigerator. Naturally there will be multiplication. So how can we solve this? In while solving the word problems, few statements we have to write. If it is necessary, short statements you can write, because you are in little standard, so you cannot write very lengthy sentences, but you can write a short sentence in a statement. Now see, just I solve here. See here, just I solve word problems of multiplication. Problems, okay, word problems in case of multiplication. So write here cost of one refrigerator. Write like this, cost of one, write in figure or in words, one refrigerator, equal to how much? According to data, it is given 15,450. Euro sign is here. Okay, don't worry. Now we have to find the cost of 45 such generators. Right here, cost of 45, such refrigerators. Cost of one is given and we have to find more than one. Naturally there will be multiplication. Correct? See here. So in case of multiplication here, write the bigger number at the top. Okay? And write the smaller one. Means 45 is multiplied by this. Naturally write here 45. Put here multiplication sign. Write it. See. 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25, 2 is carry, 4 5s are 22, 2 is again carry, 5 5s are 25, 2, 27, 2 is carry, 5 1s are 5 to 7. Correct? By 4 again because this is multiplication of 2 digits. 4 zeros are 0, 4 5s are 20. 2 carry, 4 4 are 16 to 18, 1 carry, 4 5 are 21, 2 carry, 4 1s are 4 to 6. Now add these products, we will get the final result. 5, 2, 8 and 7, when it is added, it will give us 15, 5, 1 is carry, 7 1, 8 and 1, 9, and here 6. So because the answer must be in rupees here or in euro signs. So just as we put here euro sign also, because it is cost, we have to find the cost of such generators. So in the same way, Suppose any question, just I am going to solve the question number 6. Whatever I solved earlier, that is 1, and in 6th question, see here, Vimy saves rupees 2,320 in 1 month. Correct? What amount of money will be able to save in 2 years? In 1 month, that means in 1 year, how many months are there? 12 months. Naturally, we have to find here the money saved by Vimy in 2 years. Then at first this year must be converted into months. Correct? At first, before solving this, right here, 1 year, give the data, 1 year equal to 12 months. 1 year, 12 months. So 2 years. Hello children, concentrate here. Because, see here, Vimy saves in 1 month, he already saves how much? Rupees 2,320. Means this amount is given for Vimy, that is the money saved by him in 1 month. Naturally, we have to convert here 2 years. In 2 years, how many months will be there? 24. Naturally, for 1 it is given and for 24 it is asked to solve. So naturally, we will have to convert this into months. Okay. So 2 years equal to how much? 12 to the 24 months. Correct. Now see, write few statements I told you earlier. Money saves, Vimy saves, so right here, money saved by Vimy in 1 month. Okay, in 1 month equal to how much? In 1 month it is how much? Right here, rupees 2,000, put the euro sign, 2,320, and we have to solve, or we have to find out money saved by in 2 years. In 2 years, he saves how much? This euro sign 2,320 is multiplied by 24 and we will get the result. Correct? So in the same way, this is for your home assignment. This multiplication I do not complete at present. This is just I leave you for you all. Kindly solve this and try to send me. Okay. And whatever the questions just I put before you as a home assignment, you have to solve this. Now just you have to move on the next. The next chapter is division. Correct? Now in division chapter, at first we have to go through these topics. In the next class, just I teach you division in standard 4. Okay. So just you will have to do it very minutely. See, few terms just to explain you in details. Correct? In division, in case of division, few terms are there: dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. Correct? These are the terms we have to show. So a formula extends the dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, or whatever the pronunciation. So before solving division, we will have to concentrate our mind on the process by which it is done. Now these are the topics for your home assignment, and just you will have to go through and send me as a result. Correct? The whatever the topic just I put before you for home assignment, you have to solve, and in the next week just I teach you deep exam. How many minutes?